Hello, my greetings to all class 12 students out there. So finally, CBSE is out with a boon for you. They have deleted some topics from your course. Yes, friends, finally they have understood the crunch of time, the crunch of resources, and crunch of connectivity with teachers and students out there. So let's see what topics are deleted in economics and business studies in your course. This is Manmeet Arora signing in, an educationist based at Indore, dealing in economics and business studies subject. So friends, first we see what topics have been deleted from economic course, and then we'll see what topics have been deleted in business studies course. So here's the whole economics course for you, consisting of part A and part B. Part A consisting of introducing macroeconomics and part B related to Indian economic development. So I've given all the topics over here. Instead of reading all the topics, let's see the topics in red जिसमें की changes हुए हैं. So first change will be in money and banking in introductory macroeconomics, and the second change and deletion has been marked in the chapter called balance of payment, which includes foreign exchange also. In Indian economic development, they've selected only one topic for deletion, that is current challenges facing Indian economy. Please remember, whole topic has not been deleted. Only a portion of it is deleted. So what? Let's see. So first we'll see the introductory macroeconomics, and we pick up the chapter called money and banking. It consists of money, and second, central bank and money creation. So friends, the whole topic of money is intact. The whole topic of money is intact. There is no change in or no deletions in the topic in money. Second is central bank and money creation. So you must have studied a very important concept over there, that's functions of Reserve Bank of India, right? And all the functions are intact. Only the last function has been done away with. The last function is control of credit, money supply, and inflation by Reserve Bank of India. Through all these monetary policy measures like CRR, SLR, repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate, open market operations, fixing margin requirements, etc., that topic has been finally deleted. Other functions are still there in your course. Okay, so this was a deletion in money and banking. Second is balance of payment and foreign exchange. All the topics in these topics, balance and of payment and foreign exchange, have been listed out over here. Please mark the red ones. First, disequilibrium in BOP. Yes, friends, in this balance of payment deficit, meaning has been deleted. So you don't have to study the meaning of a balance of payment deficit. That is when TR is less than TP. There's a very small discussion, but that has been finally deleted. The second topic is determination of foreign exchange rate. So you must have studied foreign exchange rate till now, that the foreign exchange rate is determined on the basis of free forces of market demand and supply forces. So that topic has been deleted. You don't have to study that topic, friends. Other topics are intact. Other topics you have to study in balance of payment and foreign exchange. Okay, friends. In part B, Indian economic development, current changes facing Indian economy, mark the red ones. First, in the topic human capital formation, growth of education sector in India has been deleted. You don't have to study. Second, in rural development, out of all topics, the last topic, which was called alternative method of farming, organic farming, has been deleted. Was a very small topic, but is deleted. And friends, in infrastructure concept, electricity and power sector discussion has been deleted. Yes, no, this is a major topic consisting of around 17 to 19 pages. This topic has been deleted. You don't have to study this topic in infrastructure. Okay, so this was all about economics. Let's see what topics have been deleted in the course business studies. Again, business studies consist of two parts, part A and part B. Part A, principles and functions of management. Part B, business, finance, and marketing. So the red chapters, the red topics have been picked, and some portions have been deleted, which we'll observe. In part B, business, finance, and marketing also, marketing management and consumer protection have been selected, and some portion have been deleted out of these topics. The black topics like nature and significance of management, principles of management, financial management, and financial markets are 100% intact. No changes are there in these. Okay, let's observe in detail, friends. Part A, principles and functions of management. Mark, it has been started from unit 3, management and business environment. The topics deleted are the concept of demonetization, and second, important or impact of government policy changes on business with special reference to LPG in India. So this topic has been deleted. In the next chapter called planning, the types of plans, that is single use and standing plans, objectives, strategies, policies, procedures, methods, rules, budgets, and programs, including the difference between all these, have been deleted. Next topic, friends, organizing. The last of the organizing concept, that is formal and informal organization, has been deleted. Other concepts like delegation of authority, concepts of responsibility, accountability, types of structures are there, they are intact. Friends, next chapter is staffing. So a concept, a very small discussion in a paragraph, that is staffing as a part of HRM, human resource management, has been deleted. Next chapter, directing. Barriers to effective communication and how to overcome the barriers have been deleted. And the last of part A, that is controlling. Relationship between planning and controlling has been deleted. Steps of controlling are intact. The last topic, that is relationship between planning and controlling, has been deleted, friends. Okay, we observe part B, that is business, finance, and marketing. Financial market has been intact. Financial management also has been intact. In the topic called marketing management, physical distribution, components and channels of distribution, that has been deleted. That means only a single portion, components and channels of distribution, in the major subtopic, that is physical distribution, has been deleted. And in the next chapter called Consumer Protection Act, where you also study some portions of consumer protection. So importance of consumer protection has been deleted. And second, in the concept of consumer awareness, role of consumer organization, non-governmental organization, that is NGOs, have been deleted. So these are the deleted portions from economics and business studies courses. So we all can say thank you CBSE for considering this, and we all together will try to perform our best in examination. Thank you so much, friends. See you.